Happy holidays, people. Well, I'm here again, back at Salop. Unbelievable. No, Lynn, she's decided to stop at home and do her nails. Unbelievable. So I brought it back here to have the solar control panel changed, apparently. That's knackered. There's always something knackered. Unbelievable. So I thought, while I'm here, because I'm always early, about an hour actually. Hey. So I'm going to have a look around, see if I've got any motorhomes in or anything. Happy bloody holidays. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I just thought I'd pop in the cafeteria area and have a tea and a bacon sandwich. £7.90. Unbelievable. I'm very happy about that. On a good note though, I've just been chatting to two of our subscribers. I don't know, I walked in here and they was just sitting there, minding their own business, and I'll come along. Hey, brilliant. Beyond these. Right, while I'm here waiting, I might as well have a quick look round. Rob's vlogging on his own. Unbelievable. Right, they have a brand new Swift Select 2021 and it is £52,370. I like those, but my old bird doesn't like them. They also have, well, it says new on there, but it's not, it's 2019 Bessacar, £64,235. Yeah, nice. And they have a Contiki Sport 2019, £64,995. That's shorter than ours, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's shorter. And they have a 2019. Look, Bessacar, £62,995, 2019. Just showing you what they've got in here, just in case anybody's interested looking for a motorhome. Contiki Sport, a new one. It's shorter as well, isn't it? Sure it is. Can't get it into it's sold. Got a slim garage there. It's open. Oh, toilet cassette. I don't know what's going on there, to be honest. It's definitely shorter than ours though. 574. It's open. Let's have a look. No, it's locked. It's locked, but the garage is open. They also have a 2007 Auto Cruise. That's sold as well. So that one sold, that one sold. This Bessacar seems to have everything on it. It's got a satellite dish up there. It's got the bike carrier on it. 584. Yeah, happy with that. Yes, this Bessacar's got a table there. Sink in your cooker. And it's got one of those beds there, look. What's it called? One of them, you know, one of them. It's also got the fridge there. There you go. About the same size as ours, look. Control panels up there. Cab, exactly the same as ours. How much is it? 65 grand, is it? Let's have a look up here. Here's me, look. Happy bloody holidays! There's a couple just walked past, I thought I'm a nutter. Shower, sink, toilet. It's a nice van, to be honest. Yeah. Happy with that. I don't like that there though, whatever that is. Contiki Sport 584. It's got the bike rack on as well. I mean, I bet that saves a few £100, you know. Let's check how much it is again because I forgot. 69 plate. Oh yeah, 65 grand as good as 2019. Let's have a look in. Yeah, basically it's the same as the basic car which I've just got in. Bench seats. Same van. Well, it probably is the same van, I don't know. I'm here again. I'm here again. Yeah, same van. Same as the best car. But they call it Sport. I hope. Something's gone on here, look. Bloody doors off. Yeah. I do miss me motorhome. I know it's only being in to be fixed, but I miss being away in it. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's have a look at this Select. Brand new. Step there, handy. Oh. I don't know, I'm not sure. Nice long bench seats. I presume that turns into a bed. And you got your lockers there, loads of them. Cooker there. I don't know, I ain't sure. It's a bit tight, if you know what I mean. And I'm still here. Auto Trek of a slider. 16 plate. Moto Trek. Is it open? It is. Yeah. Table there. That there. Your bed there. I suppose it's alright if you're about 15, I suppose. You can get in it. Not much room in there. I don't think little legs are like that. Being too close to me. Not sure on the decor. Don't know. What are they? Leather seats. I don't know, to be honest. Nah, not for me anyway. 70 plate Ford. What is it? Benimar, is it? I don't know. 67,995. 170 brake horsepower. 482. Let's have a look. First impressions. Very white. Oh, it's nice though. Your cooker there. Drawers. Table. Part leather seats. Auto box. I've actually drove one of these, they're pretty good to be honest, the Fords. As vans go. Cooker. Sink. But that's nice. don't like neck curtains. I don't know why they put neck curtains in them, to be honest. I mean, you know, 2021, they still put curtains in motorhomes. I don't understand. Lovely seats. Leather. Comfortable. The only downside to me is it's got a bed up there. I don't know then. But everybody to their own, you know. Might suit some people. It is a nice van, to be honest. Except for the nets. Oh, bun nets. Can't believe, unbelievable. I mean, what's going on with them? I don't know. And then you got... What's in here? Storage, I suppose. Oh, another table in there. What's in here? Where's the bathroom? Is that right? Massive shower. Yeah. Toilet's a bit high. I don't know if my old bird would be able to get on there, to be honest. Little sink. There's a little sink as well. There's me again, look. Is it, mate? Hey! Yeah. Yes, nice. Quite nice. It's alright. It's alright. Auto Trail Apache. 2012. 42 grand. I'm going to have a look at it. It interests me. Bit of a climb in here. Wow, look at the space in that. And my phone's ringing. Yes, that was Sal up on the phone. They've repaired the bus. Look at the space in that. I know it's a bit dated. I don't like the wood either. Oh man, I'm happy with that. This is mega comfortable, folks. Mega comfortable. I know you've got to make the bed up and that, but it is really, it's so spacious. I mean, it's just spacious. Yeah, I do like it. Don't like the bed, because you know I don't like them beds. Auto. Is this an auto? Yeah, auto. Yes, I do like it. You know, if the decor was a different colour, you know, lighter area. What's in here? Cupboard. Yeah. Hang on, where's the toilet? There you go. Step down into the shower. Yeah. It's just that I like. It's just that space. Lovely. Well, I've just got the keys to the bus and I'm back in it now, so that's what they've changed there, look. So hopefully that should do the trick. Apparently it's a common fault on these, so I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Happy holidays. I'm hitting the road. I'm off. Happy holidays, people. Happy holidays. We're not away this weekend.
No, we're not.
But we're going to have a walk round this field to see who's about.
And there's lots and lots and lots of people about today.
She's decided to join me on the vlog.
It's got to be done, hasn't it?
Makes a change. Unbelievable. So there is lots and lots and lots of vans here.
Because it's the carnival weekend.
Yes, but the carnival's been cancelled, hasn't it?
Sort of, but there's a lot going ahead.
Yeah.
There's the boats and the fireworks and the stalls and the fair.
And little legs.
And little legs.
Right, we've just jumped.
Have you? You've jumped?
I'll say I've got a hangover here. We've just bumped into Trev and Lorraine. And a bloke there.
Travellers.
He's got his. Have you done it yourself, by the way?
Yeah, it's all.
You've built it all yourself?
Built it all myself, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Mercedes Sprinter. It's a 13 plate, sir?
Yeah.
13 plate. And what was it?
It was a DPD parcel van.
Oh, wow.
Brilliant. And how long did it take you to do it?
It took me just over 6 months
Did
to
it?
convert it, yeah.
That's quick, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
well, we had the lockdown in March, the first lockdown.
You got
So-
little legs in you.
I have, yeah.
And
so
I've
he
just
couldn't.
yeah.
He couldn't work, so he worked on the van.
Good idea. You can't beat it, can you? And I've just noticed. Look at that. Best thing on the van. Unbelievable. There you go. They've kindly said I can just pop in and run the camera in. There's the bedroom. Look, little ladder there because little legs there needs it to get into bed. Shower there. Perfect. Cooker. I mean, what more could you want? Bang on.
No gin in there, is there?
I don't think there's any gin in here, Lynn.
Last night, so I woke up with the bloody hangover this morning.
You've drunk all the gin?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
No point waiting around. Come on.
One life, live it. I've always said that. Live it while you can. There's the back of his van. Electric bikes in there. Hey, you have to keep those doors shut, you know, when you're in bed. if little legs there falls out, has had it. It's a bloody long way up, that is. Bang on. Looking very pretty today, my little fruitcake, my little sugar beet.
Shut up, Robert.
What's up with you? Let's have a selfie,
So yes, we are nearly at. We're walking along the river. Nearly at the carnival-ish. It's not. Stop it! What? Poke my eye out, you idiot.
Happy holidays, people. Let's crack on. We're in Southport on 7.
At the carnival that wasn't supposed to be, that sort of is.
Yes. Let's go.
Okay.
Do you want to have a go on that bit close?
Shut up, Robert.
Come on, get on it.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, you might give him a bad back, ain't you, really?
Look, have a look. At the carnival. Noodles bar, walk this way. You know, I bet you haven't picked up any money, have you?
No. Unbelievable. There you go. The fair's extended onto the overflow car park because it's Carnival Day.
It is, it's Carnival Day.
You have live entertainment.
But it was not your fault,
And she's walking off again. Unbelievable. You want to go on there?
I'd like you to go on. I think you should go on.
I can't go on, I've got a hangover. I've got a really bad hangover.
Unbelievable.
Happy Staffy Rescue. I'm happy with that. A beautiful summer's day, just like my little princess. And people are on the River King. The tranquility of the river. And the hustle, bustle of the car. I don't know, love, I've got a hangover.
Oh,
Unbelievable. Beautiful horse. Well, it looks like an horse to me. Well, it's got 4 legs and big ears, it's an horse. Lovely, man. You want to have a go? You can if you want. Oh, I've got no money on me.
that's typical, isn't it?
Shocker. Right, that's enough now. I've got a banging headache. I've got to get out of here, folks. I've got to get out of here. It's just bumped into a couple of subscribers.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. It's wacko.
What's your name, lovely people?
I'm Brenda.
Ken and Brenda.
Ken and Brenda.
I've got a bad hangover.
I read that.
And don't forget our little Millie.
Oh,
She's
little
the
Millie.
star of the
Hello,
show.
Millie. Not very pretty, is she? Oh, I've got a bit of a reaction. You know, I've got
There you are.
oh, there you go. So when she starts talking back to me, you got to worry. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
You having a
Come
good
you're
time?
not away this
It's
weekend?
great
then?
to see
How
you.
come you're not
'cause
away
we-
this weekend?
You knows, ain't you?
He is, he's dead nosy. He really is.
No, I've had to I've got a banging headache, folks. I'm
Unbelievable.
never drinking again, as long as I live.
I'll drink to that. Cheers.
You can't whack it. What makes you bad makes you better.
Yeah, so what you... Shut up, Robert. What you've just seen is Stourport Carnival, which was cancelled due to COVID, but they've managed to throw... I'm going to throw you out in a minute. Throw a bit together. So, yeah, there's lots and lots of vans here.
Yeah, but I had to come back, to be honest, because the noise is a bit too much for me today. I'm a bit delicate today.
I've got no sympathy whatsoever. How can you let yourself get in that state?
Bloody mate come round, didn't he?
No excuse. I didn't get blottoed like you did. I don't feel ill. So you're ruining the day because you
I wasn't
feel
blottoed.
poorly. Unbelievable.
It's a good night anyway. That's what it's all about, having a good night. You can't wait.
So, yeah, and once again the bus is fixed.
Yes.
Fingers crossed.
I told him that yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah. When I was vlogging on my own.
I stayed here.
Rob on tour.
It's never going to happen. Never.
Looking very pretty today.
Shut up, Robert.
I think you look very pretty in white. What are you looking at?
Let's pause this for a minute.
Why? The neighbour's coming back and she's a bit embarrassed. As in, I don't care.
And the doors are wide open. And
Come on, say what you're gonna say.
and the dogs are going to start.
It don't matter, does it?
No, it does.
Shut up. Unbelievable.
Oh, sorry about that. I knew as soon as the neighbours came back that the dogs had
No, you get embarrassed.
I don't. I
Yeah,
knew,
you do.
I knew the dogs
Yeah,
had
you
started,
do.
and I was
Always.
right. Shut up, Robert. Just got to... No, what was I saying?
Oh, dear.
Yeah, the bus has gone in, as you saw.
Yes, I told him yesterday.
Yeah. Well, I wasn't there, was I? I had a nice day here.
No, it's because you didn't want to come. You couldn't be bothered.
Chilling out on my own.
Doing your crappy nails or doing something with your
I wasn't
crappy
actually.
hair.
Our son came, didn't he?
What's he come for? What's he want?
So you got no vape juice. Unbelievable. I've got a few glasses. Blind as a bat. These.
I really don't feel very well.
I don't care. There's a couple belated ones. Stephen Clark.
Mr. Stephen Clark,
would
happy
like-
belated birthday
No, no. Would like to wish... Will you shut up? Would like to wish Leslie a happy 37th wedding anniversary. That was for the 1st of September. So, happy belated wedding anniversary.
Happy belated wedding anniversary
Steve Baldwin would like to wish Julie a happy belated birthday for the 31st of August. My fault, not his. So
Happy birthday, Julie, for the 31st of August.
Yeah,
Which
and-
is gone, it's all over. Sorry, we're late.
John and Jan would like to wish them a very happy 7th wedding anniversary for tomorrow, Sunday the 5th of September.
Happy anniversary, John and Jan.
And Paul's got in touch with me and said, can you wish Paul and Anne Greenfield a very happy 45th wedding anniversary?
Is that
But he did. Yes, it's Paul who was on our meetup.
Paul and
Can't think of her name right off.
Sue? The little one. Who bought me that?
No, that was Sue Keys.
No, Sue Green.
Sue Green. That's Paul Greenfield.
Well,
So, yeah.
happy
45th wedding anniversary. I don't know what day it was for. but she didn't say.
45 years, man.
Unbelievable.
Yes, so
Yeah, we're doing a live
we're
tomorrow.
doing our first live tomorrow, people.
But I've got a bit of a problem. There might be...
No, there won't.
If you've already seen it, the reminder that we're on tomorrow, that might change. So there might be 2 on, or that one might be scrapped and the other one might be on. So bear with us. 'cause
Yeah,
it's the first one.
so basically, we don't know what we're doing.
No.
We're just going to go with the flow and see what happens.
I've been on the phone to Ads from Herman Hits the Road today.
And he hasn't got a clue either.
Yeah, he has, but he's too technical. He's just going, everything's going over my head.
He's
So.
not technical. I've taught him everything he knows.
Shut up a bit.
Yeah, so have a fantastic weekend, people. What's left of it.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon.
Yeah, we're off to Shepton Mallet, so...
Shepton Mallet.
And you're doing your first review in the week, aren't you?
Yes.
All on his own.
Probably crap, but there you go.
Excuse me.
So have a great weekend. As I said, stay safe, fellow caravanners, motorhomes, tenters, subscribers, drifters.
Subscribers old and new. We
Still love you.
We
Happy
do.
holidays. He's a kiss,
No,
little
shut up,
princess.
Robert.
Come on, just do it. Come on. There you go. Ray, Ray.